guys, this is Neha Chaudhary, your digital marketing consultant from Connect to Grow. As you know the importance of social media these days, we will discuss about the social media optimization. Guys, optimization means establishing your social media presence. But let me tell you, there is a lot of difference between just going on social media and the full social media optimization. So we will discuss the detailed social media optimization in this video. So let's start with the social media optimization. What is social media optimization? Social media optimization is all about essentially using social media as a catalyst to grow your company's online presence. Where some companies tend to just set up a profile on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter to be where their customers are. Social media optimization is about strategically creating, building and maximizing your social media plan to connect with your target audience. SMO allows you to strengthen your brand, to generate leads, to get more visibility online, and to connect with your target audience. Now let's see why social media optimization is important. The line between social media marketing and search engine marketing are becoming increasingly blurred. In the past, these two are very separate and different aspects of marketing, but the reality is that they are depend on each other. These both social media marketing and search engine marketing can build an effective online reputation for your brand. Now see how to optimize your strategy. A social media optimization strategy should focus on growing your presence and achieving measurable results. There are some outlines how to set up your strategy in 7 steps. The first step is ensure your social goals and solve challenges. With a range of social capabilities, it can be difficult to determine exactly what your objective should be. Look to the challenges before you set goals. Has website traffic dipped? Is customers' loyalty low? Do you need to Twitter followers do a better job of building a positive brand reputation? Do you just need to make people aware that your product exists? After that, the second step will be extend efforts throughout your organization. Culture refers to the atmosphere and relations amongst employees in the workplace. You can share photographs or stories of your workplace. Then third step is focus on networks that add value to your brand. Like many things in life, what you get out of the networking group depends on what you give to it. Offer your local business network care and attention, and watch your referral stream grow. Treat it like one more thing on your to-do list, and you will end up disappointed. There is a lot of advantage of networking if you add value to it. After that, the fourth step is creating engaging content. In order to qualify, the content has to trigger a measurable response in people as it relates to your content. In other words, you can say your content needs to be impactful in some meaningful way to be considered truly engaging. Then the fifth step is identify business opportunities through your social media. To be successful entrepreneur, we need to be continuously innovating and looking for opportunities to grow our startups. But how do you find new opportunities to take your startup to new market and the growth levels? Here are 4 ways to identify more business opportunities. That is, keep track of your potential clients and past leads. Then listen to your customers. Then keep an eye on your competitors and always be updated with industry trends and insights. Then sixth step would be engage instead of ignore. I'll just suggest you don't avoid negative comments. It isn't possible to avoid conflict all the time, but it is possible to ignore conflict. You can possibly come up with the good solutions too. Give the reply with positive attitude to the negative comments. And the last step of our strategy will be track, improve and market your efforts. No matter what the size of your business, effective marketing can increase sales and boost profit. This small business marketing makeover will show you how to save time and money on marketing by implementing effective marketing strategies. Just set a fixed strategy, work on it, and keep record of it. At this time, social media has more traffic so that you can easily reach more audience. For that, you need to attract the customer towards your brand. For that, you need to be a brand. It is all about presenting yourself as a brand in the industry. For that, you need to optimize your social media profiles with proper logo, theme images, your address, contact details, short description of your company, your services, call to action button in your post, and most importantly, you need to be active on each and every social media platforms regularly. And while you're posting anything, keep this remember, your content should be creative and must consist and effective graphics. There are several techniques that may help you to get more engagement from your audience. If you wanted to know about these techniques, let us know. We will discuss it in the next session. Guys, if you have any problem with the social media optimization, our contact details has been given in the description below, or you can just Google for the Connect to Grow. Our expert for digital marketing are standby to help you out.